Hey, this is Angie. Welcome to Naturally Naz. And today, as promised, it's all about the wash day. I'm enjoying this. No more detangling. I have already pre-pooed it with highly moisturizing and highly penetrating oils to prepare it for the wash. One more thing before we go and I start washing my hair. I'm going to do a demonstration of a 3-strand twist. I like to braid it because I feel it gives me more control when I'm washing, and I think it stretches out. When I'm done washing, I think the braiding causes me not to be so shrunken. But when I used to sell my products a lot at fairs and shows, I met a lady of color that did not know how to do a braid. She kept telling me and asking me to show her. I was laughing thinking she wasn't serious, but she was. Loose natural hair at the time, and I had a bang, a curly twist out bang. And so I had to take a piece and actually show her after she was so insistent. She was really watching me keenly, and that's when I realized this lady really is serious. And there are other videos out there with people showing how to twist and braid, but let me try this for my viewers. You never know who will be watching your video. 3 sections. You hold the hair with the 2, put one down with this finger, you bring over this one here at the side. Hold it down, secure it with your hand, bring the sides over to the middle. Take the one that you twisted. This one is going in the middle, you hold it down with your finger. Bring this side one over. So you keep bringing the sides and make sure securing them with your finger. See, I twist, hold here, bring the side. Take the middle from under here. Use your fingers. Bring the side. Push under the middle, bring the side. Hold it down with your finger here. Push under the middle, bring the side over. Hold secure with your finger, push the side. In, hold it down. Twist a little with your hand, push the side. And then you keep doing that. Just watch. All right, you can always go back and watch the video. Hopefully that was helpful. This is going to be a wet, sudsy one, but it's okay. I'm excited to do this and show it to you. I can do this also. Braided my hair loose enough so my fingers can go under the braids. I'll just squish it right down to the ends. Squish it right down to the ends, see? And then I use the ball point of my fingers, not my fingernail, to scrub underneath. See, my fingers can go under. Right, so these 2 at the front, and so this is 4 and 6 in the back, 2 at the side, 2 in the middle, 2 at the other side. And that's the braid I use whenever I'm washing my hair and sleep at night. Sometimes I braid it before I go to sleep. I try not to irritate my hair too much to get too much frizz, because already as locks, it's frizzy. So we have to do whatever we can to keep it healthy and wash it, but to minimize frizz as much as we can. Natural, authentic locks is frizzy though. After a few minutes of drenching myself, here I am coming up with the second wash. So you know, when washing your hair, the second wash lathers up quicker because it's now pretty much cleaner than before and almost no oils or products in your hair. Right, so this is what I do again. Pulling through and to the back. My mom was a authentic Rastafarian woman for most of her life. I was able to see her handling her hair, and they didn't do all these styles and manipulation we do to get it locked. So I know at the end my hair will be locked. That was a messy, wet, soapy video. Yep, see, nice and clean. It gets really frizzy when it's washed. The braids hold it down a bit, give you more control and less frizz. And so I'll just do it right here so you could see what I'm doing. And then when I come to the back, I just twist it. Boom. So I'll dry it like this for about 10 minutes, get most of the water out, and then I'll add my luxurious oils to moisten my hair. I unwrap my hair. It's about 10 minutes. Take out most of the moisture of the water. It's still wet, still wet. This is my oil that I made, and I will be having it on my website. Probably I'll make about 2 different oils to start. So I know people said to oil the scalp, which I also do, but I think my hair is dry a lot of times, so I oil hair and I have no problems because most of it is locked already, just the ends. It does good. It looks also nice and fluffy and luxurious when it's oiled. I'm not spending 2 hours detangling my hair. It's done. And so by the time it's bedtime to sleep, it will be dried, so I don't have to overnight with damp hair. So I say locks at times and I say hair. It's the same difference. Locks is just a twisted hairstyle that you don't unloose, and you do everything to maintain it healthily as it remains locked. Yeah, so that's it. And if it feels dry and anything like that, I oil it. And I don't have a problem, and I don't have buildup. These are exotic, light, highly penetrating oils, and I researched every one of them before I made this lock oil. Just a little lock love after washing my locks. My locks are beautiful, and I say that every day. Lock love. To each his own when you have learned your own locks. All right, so that's it. As promised, this is my lock wash video. It was a very messy video. It was a very wet video. Hit that thumbs up button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I really appreciate it. Shalom.